Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Playland family. What is Chandrayaan-1? Answer. Chandrayaan-1 was India's first mission to the moon. The name Chandrayaan means Chandra moon, Yan vehicle, in Indian languages, Sanskrit and Hindi, the lunar spacecraft. When and from where Chandrayaan-1 was launched? Answer. Chandrayaan-1 was launched by India's Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, PSLV-C-11, on 22nd October. How long Chandrayaan-1 was operational? Answer. The spacecraft made more than 3,400 orbits around the moon. Chandrayaan-1 was operational for 312 days till 29 August 2009. 2008 from Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota, India. What were the scientific instruments on board Chandrayaan-1? Answer. There were 11 scientific instruments on board Chandrayaan-1 spacecraft. 5 of them were Indian and other 6 were from ESA, 3, NASA, 2, and Bulgarian Academy of Sciences, 1, selected through ISRO Announcement of Opportunity, AO. 2 of the ESA instruments had Indian collaboration. What are the achievements of Chandrayaan-1? Answer. This was a path-breaking discovery. Chandrayaan-1 also discovered water ice in the North Polar region of the moon. It also detected magnesium, aluminium and silicon on the lunar surface. Global imaging of the moon is another achievement of this mission. Why is the study of moon important? Answer. Understanding the way in which moon was formed and evolved, gradually changed over a period of time, helps us to understand the history of the solar system including that of Earth. What is the temperature on the moon? Answer. The moon undergoes extremes in temperature. The side of the moon receiving sunlight becomes scorching hot at about 130 degrees Celsius and freezing cold at minus 180 degrees Celsius during night. Is there any life on moon? Answer. So far, none of the lunar missions have detected any signature of presence of life on the moon. Why do we see only one side of the moon? Answer. As the moon orbits, it always presents the same side towards the Earth. This is so because Earth's gravity has slowed the moon's rotation in such a way that it matches the time it takes to go around the Earth. So the moon takes the same amount of time, 27.3 days, to revolve around the Earth as it takes to rotate around its spin axis. How far is the moon from Earth? Answer. The average distance between the Earth and Moon is 3,84,000 kilometers. How different is the Moon from the Earth? Answer. The Moon's diameter is about 3,476 kilometers, which is about 1/4th of Earth. The mass of the Moon is only 1/81st of the mass of Earth. The gravity on the surface of the Moon is only 1/6th of that on Earth. Unlike Earth, Moon does not have an atmosphere, and therefore, liquid water does not exist on the Moon. What is Chandrayaan-2? Answer. Chandrayaan-2 is a follow-on mission to the Chandrayaan-1 mission. Chandrayaan-2 comprises of an orbiter, lander, Vikram, and rover, Pragyan. In what way is Chandrayaan-2 different from Chandrayaan-1? Answer. Unlike Chandrayaan-1, Chandrayaan-2 will attempt to soft land its Vikram module on the lunar surface and deploy a 6-wheeled rover, Pragyan, on the moon to carry out several scientific experiments. The liftoff mass of Chandrayaan-1 was 1,380 kilograms, while Chandrayaan-2 weighs 3,850 kilograms. What are the goals of Chandrayaan-2? Answer. Chandrayaan-2 aims to widen the scientific objectives of Chandrayaan-1 by way of soft landing on the moon and deploying a rover to study the lunar surface. How many instruments are carried on board Chandrayaan-2? Answer. The orbiter carries 8 scientific payloads for mapping the lunar surface and study the exosphere, outer atmosphere, of the moon. The lander carries 3 scientific payloads to conduct surface and subsurface science experiments. The rover carries 2 payloads to enhance our understanding of the lunar surface. A passive experiment from NASA will also be carried on board Chandrayaan-2. What is the mission life of the orbiter, lander and rover? Answer. The mission life of orbiter will be 1 year, whereas the mission life of lander, Vikram, and rover, Pragyan, will be 1 lunar day, which is equal to 14 Earth days. Which launch vehicle will be used to launch Chandrayaan-2? Answer. Chandrayaan-2 will be launched by GSLV Mk3M1 launch vehicle. How far is the rover expected to travel on the moon? Answer. The rover can travel up to 500 meters, half a kilometer, from the landing spot on moon. How many attempts have been made by space agencies in the world to soft land on moon? What has been the success rate of these missions? Answer. A total number of 38 soft landing attempts have been made so far. The success rate is 52%. How many wheels are there in the Pragyan rover? Answer. The Pragyan rover has 6 wheels.
Please like, share and subscribe for more video. Thank you for watching.